Welcome once again in online class. I hope all of you are well and good at your home. In previous class, we discussed chemical properties of group 15 elements such as reactivity towards hydrogen, formation of hydrides, reactivity towards oxygen, formation of oxides, reactivity towards halogen, formation of oxyacids as well as reactivity towards metal. And now we are going to discuss anomalous behavior of nitrogen. As we know that nitrogen is the first member of group 15 elements and it is different from other elements of this group due to its small size, high electronegativity as it is highly electronegative, high ionization enthalpy and non-availability of d orbitals. Okay, so nitrogen show anomalous behavior due to its small size, high electronegativity, high ionization enthalpy and non-availability of d orbitals. There is an absence of d orbital in the valence shell electronic configuration of nitrogen, and also there are some other characteristic of nitrogen due to which nitrogen show anomalous behavior. These are: nitrogen form p-pi multiple bond with itself and with other elements having small size and high electronegativity, and such as with carbon and oxygen. Okay, so nitrogen form करता है p-pi multiple bond with itself and with elements having small size and high electronegativity, as we discussed earlier, oxides of nitrogen. Okay, and heavier elements of this group such as arsenic, antimony and bismuth do not form p-pi multiple bond as their atomic orbitals are so large and diffuse, they cannot have effective overlapping, और उनके पास इफेक्टिव ओवरलैपिंग नहीं होती है उनके लार्जर एटॉमिक साइज की वजह से। तो जो हैवियर एलिमेंट हैं इस ग्रुप के वो p-pi मल्टीपल बॉन्ड फॉर्म नहीं करते हैं, केवल नाइट्रोजन करता है विद इटसेल्फ एंड विद अदर एलिमेंट्स having larger size and highly electronegative such as carbon and oxygen. And now, as we studied earlier in the properties of group 15 elements, that all the elements of this group 15 are polyatomic while nitrogen is diatomic. So nitrogen is diatomic molecule with nitrogen triple bond 1s and 2p in between two atoms. Okay, so nitrogen is a diatomic molecule with a triple bond 1s and 2p in between two atoms, whereas the question is why nitrogen single bond is weaker. जो नाइट्रोजन सिंगल बॉन्ड होता है वो वीक होता है, क्यों? The single bond between nitrogen atom is weaker than phosphorus single bond because the interelectronic repulsion of non-bonding electrons. As we know that nitrogen possesses lone pair of electrons, so the interelectronic repulsion of non-bonding electrons की वजह से जो नाइट्रोजन नाइट्रोजन सिंगल बॉन्ड होता है वो वीक होता है, और उस रिपल्शन की वजह से उसका जो बॉन्ड लेंथ है वो स्मॉल हो जाता है, स्मॉल बॉन्ड लेंथ हो जाती है, एंड दिस इज द रीजन दैट कैटिनेशन इज वीकर इन नाइट्रोजन एटम। ओके, सो इस यही कारण है कि नाइट्रोजन एटम में कैटिनेशन टेंडेंसी इन कंपैरिजन टू कार्बन कम होती है बिकॉज ऑफ द इंटर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रिपल्शन ऑफ नॉन बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, एंड द नाइट्रोजन नाइट्रोजन सिंगल बॉन्ड इज वीकर, दैट्स व्हाई। ओके, so these are the reasons behind the anomalous behavior of nitrogen. ओके, सो ये रीजंस हैं जिनकी वजह से नाइट्रोजन असामान्य व्यवहार प्रदर्शित करता है। ओके, नाउ मूविंग टू some anomalous behavior of nitrogen. Nitrogen show anomalous behavior as follows. The first one is nitrogen is gas whereas other members of this group are solid. Okay, nitrogen is a gas whereas other member of this group are solid. Okay, and second one thing, nitrogen is a diatomic molecule. Nitrogen is a diatomic molecule whereas other members of this group form tetraatomic molecules such as P4, AsF4, Sb4, etc. Okay, so these other members of this group such as phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth form tetraatomic molecule. As we studied earlier in the oxides of nitrogen, we see that nitrogen form 5 types of oxides such as N2O, NO, N2O3, N2O4 and N2O5, whereas other members of this group form only 2 types of oxide, E2O3 trioxide and E2O5 पेंटाऑक्साइड। ओके, सो नाइट्रोजन फॉर्म करता है 5 टाइप के ऑक्साइड whereas other members of this group form only 2 types of oxide such as trioxide and pentaoxide, and the reason behind this is nitrogen show -3 to +5 oxidation state. नाइट्रोजन शो करता है -3 to +5 oxidation state, whereas other members of this group show only limited oxidation state. जो other members हैं वो केवल limited oxidation state शो करते हैं, जबकि नाइट्रोजन -3 to +5 oxidation state को शो करता है। Okay, then moving to the hydrogen bonding, then only nitrogen possesses hydrogen bonding. केवल नाइट्रोजन जो है हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड्स फॉर्म करता है, एंड अदर एलिमेंट्स ऑफ दिस ग्रुप डू नॉट फॉर्म हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, तो उनमें हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग नहीं होती है, केवल नाइट्रोजन में ही हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होती है। नाइट्रोजन शो और फॉर्म हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग as we discussed earlier in the formation of hydrides. ओके, तो हाइड्राइड की फॉर्मेशन होती है जो NH3 में हमने देखा था कि हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग केवल किस में होती है, नाइट्रोजन में होती है। अदर मेंबर्स ऑफ दिस ग्रुप डू नॉट फॉर्म हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, उनमें हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग नहीं देखने को मिलती है। ओके, एंड अनदर anomalous behavior shown by nitrogen is the hydrides of nitrogen are stable. NH3 is stable, whereas hydrides of other members of this group are unstable. NH3 स्टेबल होता है, जो नाइट्रोजन का हाइड्राइड है अमोनिया इज स्टेबल, वेयर इज फॉस्फीन, आर्जिन, स्टीबाइन एंड बिस्मथाइन आर अनस्टेबल. वो क्या होते हैं? अनस्टेबल होते हैं. ओके, सो NH3 इज स्टेबल, हाइड्राइड ऑफ नाइट्रोजन इज स्टेबल, वेयर इज hydrides of other members of this group are unstable. Okay, and now moving towards the pentacovalency, then nitrogen do not show pentacovalency as there is absence of d orbital in its valence cell electronic configuration. Okay, so nitrogen do not show pentacovalency as there is absence of d orbital in its valence cell. Okay, so due to absence of d orbital, nitrogen do not show pentacovalency. And also another behavior, anomalous behavior, nitrogen do not form complexes. नाइट्रोजन कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्मेशन नहीं करता है, whereas other member of this group, other members such as phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth, other member form complexes such as PCl6 negative, AsCl6 negative. Okay, so nitrogen complex formation नहीं करता है, whereas other member of this group form complexes. And the last one, NH3, the hydride of nitrogen is highly basic or basic in nature. It is a strong base, whereas base of other, or we can say hydrides of other member of this group are not that much basic. वो ज़्यादा basic नहीं होता है, और we can say partially basic होते हैं अगर other elements के hydrides की बात की जाए. तो वो क्या होते हैं? partially basic होते हैं, while NH3, the hydride of nitrogen is highly basic. Okay, so these are the anomalous behavior shown by nitrogen, and the cause behind their anomalous behavior is small size, high electronegativity, high ionization enthalpy, and absence of d orbital in its valence cell electronic configuration. Okay, so that's all for today. I will meet you in my next video. Thank you.